Switzerland is a country of stunning natural beauty defined by its majestic Alps, crystal-clear lakes, and idyllic rural landscapes. Towering snow-capped peaks dominate the skyline, offering breathtaking views and a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. The Swiss countryside is a haven for nature lovers, with lush green meadows, dense forests, and tranquil villages nestled in alpine valleys. The Alps are a year-round destination, attracting hikers and skiers alike. In summer, hiking trails wind through alpine meadows and rugged mountain passes, offering spectacular views of glaciers and pristine lakes. Wildflowers blanket the meadows, creating vibrant bursts of color against the backdrop of jagged peaks. In winter, the landscape transforms into a snowy paradise, perfect for skiing, snowboarding, and snowshoeing. Switzerland's many lakes reflect the surrounding mountains in their glassy waters, creating postcard-perfect scenes. These pristine lakes, fed by glacial streams, are popular for swimming, kayaking, and boat cruises. The shores are lined with charming villages and farms, where time seems to slow down and nature takes center stage. Waterfalls cascade from towering cliffs in some regions, feeding into rivers that wind through deep valleys and gorges. The sound of rushing water blends with the peaceful hum of nature, creating a serene atmosphere that invites exploration and contemplation. The Swiss countryside is also dotted with traditional chalets, their wooden facades adorned with colorful flowers in summer. Farms produce local delicacies such as alpine cheeses and fresh mountain honey, giving visitors a taste of the region's rural charm. Sheep and cows graze on the hillsides, their bells echoing softly across the valleys. Switzerland's scenic train routes offer a unique way to experience its natural beauty. Panoramic train journeys pass through dramatic mountain passes, alongside shimmering lakes and past picturesque villages. These routes provide unparalleled views of the ever-changing landscape, from snowy peaks to lush green valleys. In every season, Switzerland's rural regions offer a different kind of magic. Summer brings endless days of sunshine, perfect for outdoor adventures and alpine picnics. Autumn covers the hillsides in warm golden hues, while winter blankets the landscape in glistening snow, creating a wonderland for winter sports. In spring, the meadows come alive with blooming flowers, and the air is filled with the scent of fresh pine and wild herbs. The country's unspoiled nature and peaceful villages offer a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Whether it's hiking through the mountains, cruising on a serene lake, or simply relaxing In a quiet village surrounded by breathtaking scenery, Switzerland's rural beauty leaves a lasting impression on all who visit.